longer action. Longer action in future, which we are telling. So let me again repeat with the simple future. Clear or any doubt is there? Simple future. Anybody has got doubt? A man will come
No doubt, sir.
tomorrow. I will arrange a job for you. Very good. Correct.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
No doubt. Again, see, simple future conditions I am telling. For example, first condition is to predict about future event. Predict about the man will come tomorrow. Clear? To give one decision. I will arrange a job for you to job for you. Here tomorrow is not written, but I will arrange a job for you. Which one decision he is giving? So it is simple future. Then willingness. As I told you, willingness to help, intention to help. Shall I do it for you? Will you do it for me? So if you ask like this, it is simple future. And interrogative. Shall I do? Will I do? When I am asking, I am using the interrogative. Now future continuous is referring to some longer action in future. Two sentences we have written about the future continuous. Then, so particular, suppose there are two verbs. Okay, so you have written this, I can drop this actually. Okay, suppose there are two verbs. So both will be future continuous. Two are in the future. But while teaching the present, we have seen one action has completed, another has begun. Now there are two verbs. For example, when you say a sentence like this, I will be sleeping. I will be sleeping. Okay. While she will be.
सर सिद्धिका अक्षय और किंजल बात कर रहे हैं, चैट बॉक्स में चैटिंग कर रहे हैं.
Okay, I will warn them. And Siddhika and Kinjal, please do not talk, please. I am telling, please, Siddhika and Kinjal. I am telling, please. See, many children are reading and they will be disturbed if you chat. If you want to chat after school, you go to their each other's house and talk. No problem. Okay, Kinjal, I am not asking you anything. Please, if you are chatting, please keep quiet. It is a request from me and from your friends. It is classroom, don't disturb. If you want to talk with somebody, please go to their house after school. No need to be sorry, Siddhika. Don't do chatting. Okay. Now you see, when two actions are there, I will be sleeping while she will be making dinner. So both are future continuous. Two actions are there, sleeping and making. Sleeping and making, two actions are there. Suppose two actions are repeated in one sentence about future, both will be future continuous. Okay. First one is that when we are telling about long events in future, we are using the future continuous. Second is that when two actions are involved in one sentence, for future, both will be future continuous. Clear? Then let us go to the third condition. Third condition, a lot of actions. Suppose I will go, when I will go home, Riya will be dancing, Sita will be playing, and Sima will be reading. Three actions I told. So all of them will be future continuous. So in future continuous also, okay, when I will reach home, suppose one person told, he had three daughters, Sima, Riya and Sita. So the person told, when I will reach home, Sita will be dancing, Sima will be playing, and Riya will be drawing. So three actions if they have told at same time, it all will be future continuous. Clear? So when a series of actions takes place in future and all will be in future continuous. Now let us again examine the rules of the future continuous. First one, as I told you, to tell about long actions, to speak about long actions. Long actions in future, one point. Second point is that to speak about two actions. Two actions taking place at one time. At one time, we are using the future continuous. First condition is to speak about long actions. We will be watching a movie tomorrow. So, the movie watching is not a short action, it is a long action. Because one movie will take 2 hours, it may take 3 hours, so it is a long action. We are using the future continuous. Then second one is that to speak about two actions. Two actions are then sleeping and making dinner. Making. So I will be sleeping while she will be making dinner. Two actions I told. So here also I used the future continuous tense. Then a series of actions. So this is one condition. This is second condition. This is third. A series of actions. A series of action means what I told. When I will reach home, Riya will be dancing, Sita will be playing, and Rima will be drawing. Dancing, playing, drawing. Three verbs I told, and it is a series of actions. Three actions I told. One happening after another is called series. In this case also, I used the future continuous tense. Clear, children? So we will now go to future perfect. So about second point. Okay, second point is this. Two actions. I will be sleeping. She will be making dinner. Two actions are there or not? Two actions are there, no. So here I am using the future perfect. Two actions. TW2. Then in third I told a series of actions. Series of action means one after another and they are happening. In that case also, I am using the future continuous tense. Clear? Now let us go to future perfect. Clear? Future continuous is clear, children? Is it
Yes.
clear? Yes.
Got
So,
it, Shazia.
what happened? Okay. Okay, I will go to, yes, you are correct, I will go to that. Future perfect tense. Okay. Vaishnavi and Kinjal are chatting. Don't chat, children.
That
Other children.
Siddhika is also chatting.
Okay, please, please. Okay, see, I will remove the
Done,
child.
sir.
Done, very good. Okay, we will see.
Done, sir.
We have a list of all the children. If you want, we can remove any child. I don't want. I don't want to harass any child. We are here for helping, not harassing. Okay. I was, Siddhika, I was focusing on studies. Okay. See, children, we are here to help each other, not to harass anybody. Okay. So let us go to third condition, future perfect. Okay. So what is the future perfect? He साल है, finished
So what is
his
written on
work.
the shawl?
See this sentence. It is the example of future perfect. He साल है, finished his work.
So, सर की शॉल के बाद
They,
क्या लिखा है? Sorry,
Sir, your video. Sir, what video? Sir, your video is
Sir, your
off.
video is paused.
Yes. Sir,
Sir,
your
your
camera
video
is
is
off.
paused.
You pause this, sir.
Sir,
Sir, आपकी
sir,
video
your
ऑफ हो
video
गई.
is paused.
Sir, your video is off. Sir, your camera is off. Sir, your camera is off. Sir, your camera is off. Yes,
Sir, your video is
off हो
paused.
गई. Sir, your camera is off.
Sir, your video is paused.
सर का नेट गया है. I am saying sir.
Sir, your video is off.
सर का नेट चले गया.
आपकी वीडियो बंद है. कैमरा बंद है.
सर है क्या क्लास में?
Okay, just I will check again and it is coming or not. It has come again, don't worry. Okay, children, now it is clear.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay. So the video had paused in the middle. For that, I sent a message. Okay. So this I am dropping this. Okay. So future perfect we were talking about. Okay. So future perfect is used.
सर आप फ्यूचर परफेक्ट एक बार पढ़ दीजिए.
Okay, I will tell its definition. Example आप लिख लीजिए. He shall have finished his work. They will have told the truth. This one you write. I will write the definition. Okay. Definition I will write. You please write the examples. You write this and tell me. I will write the definition. It will be clear to you. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Okay, done. Very good. I am rubbing the board under future perfect. Okay, just okay. 1 second, 1 second. Please complete. Okay. So those who did not join, again I am sending the message. Network resumed. Resumed. Okay. Okay. Those who have gone out, for them I am sending the message. So future perfect, two examples you wrote. He shall have finished his work. They will have told the truth. Two examples you please note down. Then I will tell the definition. There we will write and it will be clear in your mind. Okay. Written, very good. Ishita has written, many have written.
Done, sir.
Done, very good. So,
Done, sir.
yes, very good. I am working under future perfect. There only I will write the condition in which we are using the future perfect. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So, future perfect is used. Okay. To say about something, to say something. So to say when we are using the future perfect, we are using it to say something will be ended.
सर गुंजन स्क्रीन प्रेजेंटिंग कर रही थी अभी.
Okay. So finished
सर
or
गुंजन स्क्रीन
completed.
प्रेजेंट कर रही थी.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
And I am see to say something
सर
will be
गुंजन
ended.
स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रही है.
सर गुंजन
Skin?
स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रही है.
Actually, I don't know how.
स्क्रीन शेयर कर रही थी.
See, I don't know how to do it. Okay, it will be disrupted if I try. To say something will be ended. You see, I am taking the cursor. You see the cursor. To say something will be ended, finished, or completed. Check the sentences. Okay, he shall have finished his work. I am telling under future perfect. They will have told the truth. Means something is completed, something is over. We can use future perfect. Something is finished, completed, or over. It is we can use the future. Then when we tell about future perfect, we tell about the events that shall have completed, finished. Like this, we are using the future perfect.
Perfect continuous tense.
Yes, now under future continuous you will see I am writing the sentences, some examples. So when we are using the future continuous, okay. So future continuous with future perfect. Yes. Okay. Example I am writing here. Future perfect continuous. I am rubbing the board. No, there is no space now. We have to rub the board. We have to clean the board. Then only we will get some space. So let us go to future perfect continuous.
चल रही है.
क्या देख रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं तुम?
क्लास ही कर रहा था मैं.
अरे
हार्दिक अपना माइक बंद कर.
अरे प्लीज डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब each other.
सर हार्दिक हमें बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है.
So here what happens? First the subject comes plus first comes the subject. Then will or shall, will oblique shall plus have plus perfect participle. So this is the grammatical form. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus perfect participle. If it is done like this, it is future perfect continuous. Okay. Please note. Example. On Monday, comma. Suppose I am giving one example. I am writing below. You please note down. I will have been.
Sir, board is not clear. Sir, board is not clear.
Board is not clear.
clear, sir.
So I don't say.
Yes, sir, कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा.
What is the, where is the
Sir,
doubt?
everything is clear, sir. Everything is clear.
Okay, where is the doubt? Where is the doubt? You tell me, I will tell you. So, what is the structure of
Everything is clear.
future perfect continuous? I am telling you. First comes the subject, then comes
Sir,
the
what you have written after Monday?
what happened? Gunjan, you tell.
Sir, I just
You want to tell anything?
right side. Sir, side please.
Okay, okay. Side, please. Okay, okay. I will go to one side. On Monday, I will have been.
Sir, adjust the camera to right side.
So, what you have
Working, yes, yes, I will do. Let me complete. In this factory,
written after Monday?
for 10 years. Okay, one second, one second. Have patience, I will adjust the camera. Yes, yes. Now you got the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
everything clearly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please note down.
Yes, sir. Done with you, sir.
Done
Please
with
note
you,
down.
sir.
Children. So
Complete,
this
sir.
is called
Done with you, sir.
so
Done with you, sir.
so we have completed the tense part. Okay. Some other models, articles, pronouns, nouns, adjectives. We will do revision in future. Otherwise, we will start the term 1 course total revision from chapter 1. Okay. What do you want? You tell me. You want revision in grammar, or you want the chapter to be repeated? You tell me which chapter is difficult. I will start. From tomorrow is a holiday. Day after tomorrow. Okay. Okay, please write down. Tomorrow, as per our notification, it was holiday. Any change is there? You see WhatsApp. You see WhatsApp. Any doubt is there?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, today evening you see.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Change is there, you will come to know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Children. Okay.
Thank you sir, for teaching us.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, sir.
From Monday
Thank you,
onwards,
sir, for
we
teaching
start
us.
to
Bye-bye,
study.
sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Thank you, sir,
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye-bye, sir.
for teaching us. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us. Bye-bye, sir.